Imagine creating something just once and then earning from it again and again, automatically, while you sleep, while you work, while you live your life. That is the power of digital products. And in 2026, AI has made building them accessible to absolutely anyone, anywhere in the world. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your first one and set it up to sell on autopilot. Most people earn money by trading their time for it. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. Stop working, and the money stops. Digital products break that link completely. You build the product once, and it can sell hundreds or thousands of times, generating income long after the work is done. This is the foundation of genuine passive income. For most of history, creating a digital product required skills most people did not have: design, writing, technical ability. AI has demolished that barrier. Now anyone, regardless of background or location, can use AI to build a professional digital product and sell it worldwide. In this video, I will show you exactly how, step by step. Let us get into it. Welcome back to Wealth AI, where smart money strategy meets the most powerful AI tools to help you build real wealth wherever you are in the world. If you are on YouTube, subscribe. If you are on Rumble, please follow the channel. It genuinely helps us grow. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let me give you the kinds of digital products that genuinely sell in 2026. Templates. Ready-made systems people can use instantly, like planners, trackers, spreadsheets, and Notion workspaces. Guides and ebooks. Focused, practical knowledge that solves a specific problem. Prompt packs. Collections of effective AI prompts for a specific use, which are selling extremely well right now. Also resource kits, printables, digital planners, mini courses, and small tools. Notice the common thread. Each one solves a specific, real problem for a specific group of people. The biggest mistake beginners make is being too broad. A planner for productivity is vague. A content calendar template for small cafes is specific, and specific sells. Narrow wins every time. Your product must solve a real problem. The best ideas come from your own life, work, or knowledge. What do you know how to do that others struggle with? What repetitive task could you systemize into a template? What question do people in your field or community keep asking? Pick a specific problem for a specific audience. Instead of a budgeting template for freelancers with irregular income. Instead of a meal planner for busy parents on a tight budget. The narrower and more specific, the easier it is to create, to market, and to sell, because the buyer instantly recognizes it was made for them. Use Claude to brainstorm and refine your idea until it is sharp and specific. Claude is free to start and linked in the description. This is where AI does the heavy lifting. Once you have your specific idea, use Claude to actually build the product. For a guide or ebook, have it help you write, structure, and refine the content. For a template, have it help you design the structure and the content that fills it. For a prompt pack, have it help you create and organize the prompt. Then use a tool like Canva, linked in the description, to make it look professional and polished. Canva has thousands of templates, so even with zero design skills, your product looks high quality. What would once have taken weeks of skilled work, you now assemble in hours with AI assistance. The barrier that stopped people for decades simply does not exist anymore. Focus on making the product genuinely useful and well presented, and you have something people will pay for. Now you set it up to sell on autopilot. Platforms like Gumroad and PayHip are built exactly for this. You upload your product, set a price, and they handle everything: payment, delivery, and customer access automatically, 24 hours a day, to buyers anywhere in the world. Gumroad is linked in the description. When someone buys, they pay instantly and receive your product automatically, with no action needed from you. This is what makes it passive. You are not packing boxes or sending emails. The platform delivers your product the moment someone pays, whether that is at midday or 3 in the morning while you sleep. Set your price based on the value it delivers, not the time it took you to make. A template that saves someone hours is easily worth 10, 20, or 50 of whatever currency you sell in. You do not need a big audience to start, because the marketplaces themselves bring buyers. Listing your product well, with a clear title, a description that speaks to the specific problem it solves, and good preview images, helps the platform's own search surface it to people looking for exactly that solution. Beyond that, share it in the communities where your target audience gathers, relevant forums, groups, and social platforms. By genuinely helping people and mentioning your product where it fits, create simple, short-form content showing the problem and your solution. Your first sales prove the concept, generate reviews, and build momentum. Then you create more products, and each one adds to a growing library of assets, all selling on autopilot. That is how a single digital product becomes a genuine passive income stream. So that is how to use AI to build your first digital product that sells on autopilot. Find a specific problem, build the product with AI, set it up to sell automatically on a platform like Gumroad, and get your first sales through marketplaces and communities. Create once and earn again and again. Your action this week: identify one specific problem you could solve with a digital product and use Claude to start building the first version. Do not aim for perfect, aim for useful and done. Claude is free and linked below. Hit the like button if this gave you a real opportunity. Subscribe on YouTube, follow on Rumble. Next video, we are back on the UK finance side with a how-to on getting free pension help under the new 2026 rules. Drop a comment below. What digital product would you build first? I read every single one, wherever you are in the world. I am wealthai. The best income is the kind that keeps coming in after the work is done. Digital products are how you build it. And this is just the beginning.